Yes, now we can discuss about metamaterial. What is metamaterial and what are the benefits, and all these we can discuss now. A metamaterial is any material engineered to have a property that is not found in naturally occurring materials. They are made from assemblies of multiple elements fashioned from composite materials such as metals and plastics. Okay?
Well, the materials are usually arranged in repeating patterns at scales that are smaller than the wavelengths of the phenomena they influence. Metamaterials derive their properties not from the properties of the base materials but from their newly designed structures. Their precise shape, geometry, size, orientation, and argument gives them their smart properties capable of manipulating electromagnetic waves. By blocking, absorbing, enhancing, or bending waves to achieve benefits that go beyond what is possible with conventional materials. Approximately designed metamaterials can affect waves of electromagnetic radiation or sound in manner not observed in bulk materials. Those that exhibit a negative index of reflection for particular wavelengths have been the focus of a large amount of research. These materials are known as negative index materials. Potential applications of materials are diverse and include optical filters, medical devices, remote aerospace applications, sensor detection and infrastructure monitoring, smart solar power management, crowd control, radomes, high frequency battlefield communication and lenses for high gain antennas, improving ultrasonic sensors, and even shielding structures from earthquakes. Metamaterials offer the potential to create super lenses such as such a lens could allow imaging below the diffraction limit, that is the minimum resolution that can be achieved by conventional glass lenses. And lenses for high gain antennas, improving ultrasonic sensors, and even shielding structures from earthquakes. Metamaterials offer the potential to create super lenses. Such a lens could allow imaging below the diffraction limit, that is the minimum resolution that can be achieved by conventional glass lenses. A form of invisibility was demonstrated using gradient index materials, acoustic and seismic materials. Metamaterials are also research areas. Metamaterials research is interdisciplinary and involves such fields as electrical engineering, electromagnetics, classical optics, solid state physics, microwave and antenna engineering, optoelectronics, materials such as material sciences, nanoscience, and semiconductor engineering. Electromagnetic materials. Electromagnetic materials. An electromagnetic material affects electromagnetic waves that impinge on or interact with its structural features which are smaller than the wavelength to behave as a homogeneous material accurately described by an effective refractive index. Its features must be much smaller than the wavelength. For microwave radiation, the features are on the order of millimeters. Microwave frequency materials are usually constructed as arrays of electrically conductive elements that have suitable inductive and capacitive characteristics. Many microwave materials use split ring resonators. Photonic metamaterials are structured on the nanometer scale and manipulate light at optical frequencies. Photonic crystals and frequency selective surfaces such as diffraction, gratings, dielectric mirrors and optical coatings exhibit similarities to subwavelength structured metamaterials. However, these are usually considered distinct from metamaterials as their function arises from different or interference and thus can't be approximated as a homogeneous material. However, material structures such as photonic crystals are effective in the visible light spectrum. The middle of the visible spectrum has a wavelength of approximately 560 numbers for sunlight. Photonic crystal structures are generally half this size or smaller, that is citation needed. Plasmonic metamaterials utilize surface plasmons, which are packets of electrical charge that collectively oscillate at the surfaces of metals and optical frequencies. Frequency selective surfaces can exhibit subwavelength characteristics and are known variously as artificial magnetic conductors or high impedance surfaces, HIS, that is high impedance surfaces, FSS, that is display inductive and capacitive characteristics that are directly related to their subwavelength structure. This is the information regarding metamaterials. This is the information for the prosperity of especially startup entrepreneurs to explain the fundamentals regarding this. Wishing you all the best.